CP the Tool Addict. Woo! How you doing? Guess where I'm at? I'll give you two guesses. You're probably going to get it on the first one. We're on the Matco truck. We're here with Parker.
Hi guys.
You're on the mic with Parker.
You can hear me this time?
Yeah, hopefully.
I noticed the videos I was kind of quiet.
Yeah, I turned. That's why I'm going to put the. We'll have to see if the audio comes out, but the microphone's on you. Haven't seen Parker for a while.
I've been hiding.
We haven't really needed nothing, but he's got some pink ratchets.
And I finally get some black chromes in.
Yeah, got some black chromes in.
The guys said they're holding up really well too. I had a few guys skeptical on the black chrome, but
holding up as far as the
just wearing and stuff.
My God, we've got some new products. Swivels over here. He just showed me 3/8 swivels, pinless. What? Yeah, there's the part number, SB. You need to see the part number. Write it down or screenshot it. What'd you say? These were going on sale too?
Yeah, I ordered them last night, so whenever they come in, I'll be able to do the buy one get one on them. It's buy the deeps, get the shallows for
This will
free.
be going This will be going hot.
Yeah.
For all.
I hope I ordered enough.
Definitely need the 3/8 ones. He walks into the shop. What was I using?
Yeah, those sockets.
I use them all the time. Honestly, I wished I'd bought those before I bought anything else.
That's the one thing I've had a lot of my customers like show guys these because they work really well.
They're pretty awesome.
I finally got these other style tap sockets in.
Oh yeah.
They're a lot nicer than
those are definitely the upgraded version.
Yeah, the other kits just didn't seem quite as nice to me.
No, they're not. That's usually you can use a wrench on those too, right?
Yeah,
socket.
like this style.
Yeah.
I'd much rather have this one. Yeah, because the wrench is nice.
What's in the inside of those new ones there? I'm curious how they use the retention on them. Just throw it and see it down in the camera.
Just a square thing.
Is there any type of clip in there?
And then look, these ones have the clip, and I've had it where guys can't get it in because of the clip's weird.
Huh.
So.
Hold it down.
Yeah, it looks like just a square drive in there.
Square drive down in there, and then just kind of holds it in.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely what's the set like those run, you know?
I don't remember.
Oh, look at that. You got a couple.
Got a couple.
I don't use tap sockets a bunch, and I do have the old set because I've had them for years.
I was always hunting for these at the farm because I was, we'd had the two-handle thing. $78.95.
Oh God!
It's not too bad.
Why did the guy you can afford those? Pick those up if you ain't got them.
Actually, I have this style too. I can show you.
Oh.
The adjustables. I can't remember who these were for even.
What kind of blade? Oh, he don't even use a blade. He just pulls out the nip edge.
The new plastic is crazy strong. I can't even rip through half of like most of the stuff I get now. Yeah, just you can adjust the size.
Oh, those are nice.
They're kind of cool.
How much are them gems?
I think they're like 120-ish.
120-ish. You don't have to look them up. I mean, we're just getting a ballpark figure. Oh, little Matco flag.
Yeah, that's the garden flag.
Garden flag. I need that for my garden.
73 for these.
$73?
It's cheaper than the other.
$73, fellas. What do we got up here we're going to talk about today? You've been selling Matco hyper steps like crazy, huh?
Yeah, they've still been pretty hot commodity. I had a guy buy a second set today for home. I like those guys.
Yeah, you got a light there that's pretty interesting, I thought.
Yeah, I thought they'd sell a lot more too because they're small and.
It's like my Mantis.
They're just fairly bright too.
How many lumens?
175.
What?
And then the floodlight is 100.
Oh wow!
I didn't even know there's a little light on here.
How much is that little fella? We'll get the part number on it.
4970.
Son of a biscuit!
RPL 1750.
4970 RPL 1750. Wow, that's a handy little.
Well, lifetime warranty on that too.
What? Yeah. Lifetime warranty.
100% lifetime.
Oh boys, I'll tell you what. $49.99 lifetime warranty. That's a bright, and it's got a
little inspection.
It's got a magnet on the bottom.
Should have.
Dual lighting. It's got a pocket clip on the back. I can see that. Charging, USB charger. Huh. Interesting.
I got a story too.
Uh-oh, story time. We always love tool truck stories.
Guess where I found this?
Where?
On the frame of my Matco truck.
No way.
It's been there a month, and it.
You were working on your truck?
My buddy that has a diesel shop serviced it.
Oh, really?
And it's been
his
there
light.
for a month. that just shows those magnets are strong.
That's pretty awesome. Yeah.
I popped my hood to check my coolant, and I was like,
there's a light there.
I don't have one of those lights yet. So I was like, that's not mine. And I was like, oh shoot, I bet it's my buddy's. I'll see him Friday, and I'll throw him his light back.
Always good to hear a good story like that, man.
Yeah,
and he's going to be happy because the Matco guy could have sold him another light.
Right. I'll give it back to him.
That's these lights. You got to.
Yeah, they have the 700 lumen ones and then the 900.
And these are the ones with the batteries come out of the back of them?
Yeah, they look almost identical.
Oh, wow.
This is the brighter one.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I'll be dipped.
Yeah, this is the second time it's happened. Another guy left it under a truck and it came back 2 weeks later, still there.
I'll be darned. We got a new pink flyer.
Yeah, there's a new flyer. Actually, I got another one too.
You got another one?
It's back there, yeah.
Alright. So we're going to talk quick too about, I've been kind of eyeballing these pliers, and I was talking to Parker, and I got to tell you, the tips on these definitely meet. Pretty robust. So it's come to my attention that nobody makes these in America anymore. Nobody makes a good, decent pair except for you guys now.
The Snappy don't have anything?
They're all the same.
Are they
They're
really?
the same as the Mac ones. They're coming with that little spring clip in there. You can tell they have that little spring clip.
Yeah, I don't like those spring.
Yeah, those are heavy duty.
They are pretty stout.
I bought a pair of gear wrenches because I was like, there's nothing you can get out there.
Yeah.
I use those things all the time, but I threw away my Mac ones.
Did you?
Yeah, because I'm tired of them. The tips of them didn't meet together.
That's about, doesn't do you much good then.
But I mean, look how wide these ones are.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I mean, they're just, and they've got really good, what do you call it, like
the finish.
talon grip.
Oh, yep.
So.
Yeah, they do actually.
Yeah, they're pretty stout, but, and then the closing of them, push them together once, like give them a good squeeze, and hold them up here so you can see them, show everybody on the camera. Whoop. When you squeeze them, they don't really push together hard. I mean, like the cheap ones, they go right together.
Yeah, right together.
Yeah, so kind of thinking that Matco's got the market quartered on these.
Yeah, that's definitely pretty nice looking.
Yeah, I mean you put a good squeeze on these. I'm not putting like a light squeeze on them. These put a good squeeze on them, and they're not mismatching at the tip.
Yeah, they don't want to deflect each other either, which is I've seen a few of those want to do that.
Got a few drill bits got to get, and yeah, what else is going on? Oh, Torque Test channel is getting ready to.
Dude, I've been watching them a lot lately.
So they're getting ready to.
Did you watch it's the Milwaukee, the DeWalt, and the new Snap-on gun? And the DeWalt's rated for 400, the Matco's rated for 250, and the Snap-on's rated for 340.
Yep.
The Milwaukee and the Mac and the DeWalt end up doing 450.
Oh, that was shop tool reviews.
Oh, it was a shop tool?
Yeah.
And then, yeah, the Snap-on wouldn't even do 300, I think.
So, this Friday on Torque Test channel,
Mm-hmm.
Matco's making an appearance.
Are they?
Yes,
Well,
and you're going to be impressed. If you guys are fans of Matco, you're going to want to take a peek at this one.
I know our half-inch gun's way up there on the Torque Test channel for as far as power.
Air one.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, this is the electric one, the cordless.
Okay. Ooh.
So the cordless one's going to make an appearance.
Oh, actually, yeah, I finally got these in.
Oh, you got the stubbies.
Yeah.
The stubby.
I sold one of these to a guy, and he let his neighbor borrow it for his lug nuts on his minivan. He brought this back with a broken wheel stud.
No way.
So these must have some pretty good power.
Are they going to do anything about the 2 amp hour batteries yet?
They're supposedly coming out with a 5 amp, or they're supposed to expand on the battery line.
5 amp is really where I would think that they would shine, but...
Have I seen it yet? No, not yet.
There's a guy that has one. He's told me he's liked it. It is pretty light.
Yeah, and they say they're rated for 300 breakaway and 215 fastening, so that's
300 breakaway.
Yeah.
That's not out of line. I mean,
no, I'd like to put it up against like a Milwaukee stubby just to kind of compare them.
Milwaukee stubby or my DeWalt.
Yeah, either one.
They're pretty. The Milwaukee has 233 foot-pounds is what the torque test channel came out on their dyno, and the DeWalt came out with 268-ish, 270. I think it was, or was it 3? No, it was 270 on the torque test channel. So
that's pretty good, because yeah.
So if this thing actually pulled right around those same numbers, 250.
Yeah, that's pretty good then.
Yeah, it's right in line with everything else.
I should send it to them so they can test it.
I think Torque Test Channel would not be appalled
I
if
know,
you did
I bet
that. I could send it. I mean, we could. They talk to them all the time.
Maybe I'll try to get a demo in for us and send that to them.
Yeah.
Because that would be interesting to see how it holds up.
Torque Test Channel, if you're watching, you heard it. We'll get you one because they don't take anything for free.
Yeah.
They're good about doing. And they'll definitely take. They sent mine back, so they took both my Mac guns and my air hammer.
Okay.
And they came back
just
perfect.
Came right back. Yeah, I wouldn't be worried about it. Plus, it'd just be interesting to. I've yet to see this gun really much videos of it.
It's good PR for Matco.
I think Kuhn had a video of it up.
Yeah.
When they first
but they don't. They don't have anything that's concrete.
No torque video or anything like that. So.
Yeah. So that's pretty much. We got just about everything covered here today. Oh, what's this? Vim mat? Whoop.
Oh yeah, them just came out of these magnet mats.
Show everybody the class case. But, the Vim magnet mats. It's pretty heavy, pretty stout.
It's better than the Matco ones, but it's still nothing compared to the Snap-on ones, where they hold the Cummins head on the side of the lift.
Well, they used 2 of them. Though.
Yeah, they did.
I mean,
but those things are strong.
You know that the Mechanics Time Savers, which inherently makes a lot of magnetic products for you. I got that 70mm wrench.
Okay, yeah.
And that holds
it's stuck it on the side there. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Mechanics Time Savers has it too. But, yeah. Alright, well, I'm going to give Parker some money, and I think he's done a pretty good job talking about some stuff. Good to see him again.
Yeah, hopefully next time we'll have a little more for everybody.
Yeah, for sure. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, hope you enjoyed this video. Parker, thank you for talking with us again. And like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell, remember. Keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.